Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don tok say e administration go focus on training and retraining of public servants for Edo State to ensure efficient and transparent service delivery. The governor tok dis one on Tuesday for the swearing-in ceremony of 3 new permanent secretaries for Government House, Benin City.
I, Ebamoyi Edith Atumre, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Oath of Office. I, Ebamoyi Edith Atumre, do solemnly swear, affirm, that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Permanent Secretary in Edo State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or become known to me as Permanent Secretary in Edo State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Permanent Secretary, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
For im speech, Governor Okpebholo chook mouth on top the importance of professionalism and accountability for public service, as e yarn say Edo people vote for them to deliver better governance, and public service delivery dey very important to achieve that goal. E con still tok say the time when mediocrity dey waka free for public service don pass, say e administration no go tolerate laziness and careless attitude for work, say dem dey build workforce of serious and transparent civil servants wey go focus on their responsibility. Oga Governor come also advise the new permanent secretary say make dem put in their best to show the kind difference wey go improve the state for the year wey dey come.
As we prepare to round up the 2024 on a sound note, we are also planning to make a huge difference in the year 2025 with quality governance. Edo people voted for us to provide good governance for them, and public service will be the center of that agenda. As a result, we are building a team of regular civil servants that will be effective and transparent in their call to duty. We expect you to redeem public trust in governance. On our part, we will ensure that public servants in Edo State are constantly trained to achieve the Renew Hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for a better society. I congratulate you as you assume your new duty.
For her own side, Madam Stella Eshiashi, wey tok on behalf of the new permanent secretaries, con thank the governor for the trust wey put for them, and con promise say dem go use their experience and skills wella to push the administration's policies and vision forward.
I stand here today honored to express our heart-felt gratitude to His Excellency, who made it possible for us. I would like to thank every other dignitary here present, as we are going to work another milestone. We pledged to work to the agenda of His Excellency to promote equity, transparencies, and every other thing that will make Edo great again. We say thank you, His Excellency. May God give you the wisdom, understanding to rule Edo State, to make Edo State great again. We thank you very much, sir.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. we no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ujisali, TMC TV News.